binomial coefficients. Or binomial theorem. Right. I know Nader is sick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Missing. No. Have I got everybody except Nader?
Almost.
Who? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Right, as soon as I said it, I realised that the second time I was like, Omar, who? Oh yeah, Omar. Are you going to feel bad that I keep forgetting about him? Omar, do you know what's wrong with him?
No.
No? Oh, okay. He's not like at immigration or sick or anything? You have no idea?
No, I tried practically when we didn't reply.
Oh, that might just be you.
Maybe.
Possibly, yeah, possibly, yeah. Okay. Next lesson now. Binomial theorem. Okay. Have you got this? Yep. Now, last time when we did Pascal's triangles, one problem with using Pascal's triangle is it can take a very long time to draw the triangle. So for example, if you had power 10, you would have to go all the way down until you get to row 10. A very long process. Right, before we go to that, just some definitions. Does anybody know what this is called? Yeah, it's called n factorial, and this is how it works. For example, 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is, what's that, 24, isn't it? And 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. 2 factorial is 2 times 1, which is 2. 1 factorial is 1. And 0 factorial gets them every time. It's 1. Yeah.
0 times 0 is 1.
No. It's complicated, but it's the same it's kind of like the same reason why 2 power 0 is 1 and not 0.
Yeah, what's the reason for that?
0 factorial
Yeah.
is complicated. It involves, believe it or not, it involves integration. No, that shouldn't make any sense necessarily, because this has nothing to do with integration. But as part of the definition, we take 0 factorial to mean 1 because it's useful that way. Anyways, just make note of this and then we'll continue. So this is called factorial. And also note on your calculator, you have the factorial button as well. So for example, 4 shift and factorial is up here.
What?
Oh, can't you see my beautiful calculator? Watch. 4 shift factorial. Can you see that? You see it? Yeah. Is this not big enough?
It's not clear enough.
Oh, it's not clear enough. Oh, I see. Excuse me. I'll fix that. Can you all find the factorial button on your calculator? It's useful to know where it is. Okay. Continue? Yep. Next. We have this function, NCOR, and the definition here is n factorial or factorial n minus or factorial. So for example, 5c2 is 5 factorial over 2 factorial 3 factorial, which is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. They actually cancel, so it's 10. But you don't need to do this in the exam, because again, this is also on the calculator. For example, here it is. 5, yeah. Shift, and here's the C here. 2. And we get this answer. Huh?
It's easier on this calculator to do that.
It's the same.
No, it's easy.
It's the same.
Do you
but
s-
There's a button for it.
yeah,
Like
you
that,
have already
using the
switched.
shift.
Oh wow. Think about all that time we save by not having to press shift. Right. There are different ways to write this depending on your country. So in some countries, they don't write it like this. They write it like this, or maybe like this. Or I believe in China they write the N and the R backwards, like this. Now, anyway, this is how we do it here. And please note, we put the bigger number on top and the smaller number on bottom. You can't do it the other way. Focus, focus. Okay. You got this written down? Okay. You're hungry. You have food? Okay, continue. Right, so using your calculator, I want you to calculate this, please. Calculate these 5 numbers, please, using your calculator. Now, you should be finished first because you don't have to press shift those 5 times. So, yes, to this.
Why is it 5 factorial over 2 factorial times 3 factorial?
Yeah, this is the formula, the definition. So, you put the number on top as a factorial, the number on bottom as a factorial, and the difference as a factorial. So maybe you should box this off. This is like a definition here. You're finished, right? Yes, okay. So what are the 5 numbers? Firstly,
1, 4,
6,
4, 1.
now do those numbers look familiar?
Yeah.
Yes, Pascal.
Yeah, they're row 4 on Pascal's triangle. So actually, you now have a way to calculate the row without needing the previous rows. You can just go straight to the answer. So in other words, you can use NCOR to generate row n on Pascal's triangle. So this will be useful as a way to expand. And I'll show you with an example, a simple example to start with. Okay. So for example, we'll just do something like x plus 3y cubed. Can I scroll down? So what you do this time, we'll write down c x 3y plus c x 3y plus c x 3y plus c x 3y. We know the powers. The powers go, well, let's start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 3, 2, 1, 0. And this C, we can use it to find the row of the triangle. It's 3C0, 3C1, 3C2, and 3C3. So on your calculator, for example, you would need to type in 3C0 and 3 power 3. So the first one will be like this. 3C0, which, well, we know what the first one is. It's 1. Times, and then this is 3 cubed. 3 power 3, which is 27. So the first one would be 27. This is a 1, and this is y cubed. Likewise, this is 3 times 9, so I think this is also 27.
Yep.
The next one is over here, 3C2, which is 3 times 3. So the next one here is a 9.
9x squared.
Yep, 9x squared y. And then finally, that's a 1, that's a 1, that's an x cubed. So you just finish with an x cubed. Yeah, question?
Does it matter if we start
No,
with the x cubed first?
doesn't matter. You'll get the same answer. If you start, your answer would have been this: x cubed plus 9x squared y.
Does the order matter in the exam?
No. Well, if it does, they'll let you know in the question. They'll say something about it.
And does the C have does it stand for something?
Combination or choose or something like this, because it's actually used in probability.
I've heard choose before.
Yeah. I just say C. Yeah. Okay. You have this one? So now you have two methods for expanding: Pascal's triangle and binomial theorem, or binomial coefficients, if you want to call it that too. Yeah.
Expansion.
Well, expansion is like the problem. I was given the names for the methods. So Pascal's triangle, or this method here, binomial theorem. Continue? Yeah. What's nice about this method is that you could actually find any term in the expansion. So if I said find the x cubed term in, let's say, 2x plus 1 power 6, you could jump straight to the answer using this method. Watch carefully. We know that it has so many terms at the start, plus what we want, plus more terms. I just want the x cubed part. Okay. So we know that our answer will be made up of 3 parts. There will be a c at the start, a 2x, and a 1. I automatically know what this number is here.
6.
It has to be 6 because it was 6 in the question. And I automatically know what this number is here. 3, because that's what I want. So that means I know what this number is here. What is it? 3, because it matches that one. So finally, we need to work out this number. And this here is a 3, but why is this one a 3?
6 minus 3.
Yeah, the total here has to be 6, because if you look up here, notice how we have 3, we have 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3. The total here is actually always the power in the question. I'll do another example of this, but the answer would be 6c3, 2 cubed, 1 cubed, x cubed. So I just need to put this in on the calculator.
160.
160? You sure? Six C3 times 8. 160. So 160x cubed is the answer here. Yeah? Okay, I'll give you one to try, but then I'll do it. So see if you can do this one. Find the coefficient. Now coefficient just means the number in front of the x. Find the coefficient of x squared in 2x minus 3 7. Yeah. Don't want to make it too small.
Binomial.
Yes. Got an answer?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yes? Continue? So, let's have a look at the answer. We know in the answer we'll have dot 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 plus the part we want, which will be a c, a 2x and a minus 3 plus more parts. We know this number has to be 7. And we know this number has to be 2, which makes this one a 2, which makes this one a 5. So we must type in 7c2 times 2 squared times minus 3 power 5. So on the calculator we go. C2 times 4 times 1, 2, 5. Three messages, wow. Okay, 10,500. Did you get that as well? Did I not hit equals? Oh no, wait, that's too far. Hang on. Oh no, sorry, my mistake. Minus 3 power 5 times 2 squared, which is times 4, times
7c2.
yeah, 7c2 bracket equals. Did you get this? Minus 20,412. Not technically, no, because the word coefficient means just a number beside the x. So this is the answer here. Yeah? Okay. Can I scroll down? So what's also nice about this is sometimes in the exam they ask you to expand. But they don't want you to expand the whole thing. They might say expand up to the third term. And now you ask me about the order, and they would also say something like in, for example, ascending powers of x. So here what they're looking for is an answer that looks like this. A number plus a number x plus a number x squared. And then they want you to stop here. They don't want the rest of it. Do you understand? They only want the first three. So I'll let you try this for a minute, see if you can get the answer. It's similar to the last question, except you just have to do it 3 times instead of 1 time. So see what you can come up with.
Ascending to x dot is 1.
0, like no x. Yeah, and the x increases in powers.
Ascending.
Huh?
Ascending.
Ask that guy. Go on, work together. Classmates, friends. You're friends, right? Yeah, so ask him.
Why is ascending?
What is ascending? Means it starts low, and then it goes bigger.
So the first one is 0.
Yeah. The first one there is no x. Then x power 1. And then x power 0.
Only one.
The first one will be only a number without an x, because x will be power 0.
So it's 1.
So it's 1.
Okay, have we? No, not yet. We got answers?
Yep.
Be strong. Right. So, firstly, we have 3 terms in our answer. We start off with a c, a 2x, a minus 1, plus a c, a 2x minus 1, plus a c, 2x minus 1. And we don't actually care about the rest, because I only want 3. Yep. Now, this is important. Do we start with 0 or 5? 0, because ascending. So this is 0, 1, 2. And this number?
5.
5. Sorry, that's a 5.
5c.
5, 0, 5c, 1, 5c, 2. And so this number here?
5.
5, 4, and 3. So this is minus 1. This is 10? No, 10. 10x, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then,
It's 20x.
what? 5, C2 is 10, isn't it? Yeah. That's 10 times 4, 40, minus 40. Yeah?
No, you're forgetting the 2x. You're not multiplying by the 2.
What?
5g1 is 10.
5C1 is 5.
My bad.
Yeah, things like that won't get you re-elected next semester. Yeah. Minus 1 plus 10x minus 40
X squared.
x squared. Okay. Got that?
Yep.
The only way this is different in the exam is if they said descending, which means
Vicator.
correct, yes. Okay. Can we go to another one? Yep. Right. Try this. See what you make of this one. Px plus q power 6 equals 1 plus 6x plus 15x squared plus dot 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 dot. Find the p and the q. And all I tell you about the p and the q is that they're positive. P and q are positive.
Can we do number I and J?
No, I'm going to leave that for you to figure out by yourself at home, and then I'll probably end up doing it in the tutorial.
And like the number that's too complicated.
No. I have to give you something interesting to do at home, otherwise you'll be bored.
Is there easier way to develop it?
What, I and J?
I and J, like all of those, like
Yeah.
I from P.
There's a little trick you can do to make it a little quicker, but it's not going to make something difficult easy, I'm afraid. Okay, let's see what you made of this. So the way to do this one, you have to expand on the left and compare the left and the right.
1, 1.
Huh?
Just 1, 1.
I'll see now. So here on the left you have C Px Q plus C Px Q plus C Px Q equals what you have on the right. This is 6C0, 6C1, 6C2, 06, 15, 24. This one is Q6. This one is 6PQ5X. And what's 6C2, please?
15.
15
P squared.
E squared Q4
X
X squared dot 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 equals 1 plus 6x plus 15x squared plus dot dot dot.
Q is 1.
Yeah, well what you do now is you compare. So this should be the same as this, and then this one here should be the same as this, and this one here should be the same as this. So in other words, you can say we need Q6 to be 1, we need 6PQ5 to be 6, and we need 15P squared Q4, that should be 15. So when you look at this, clearly Q has to be 1. If Q is 1, you get 6P 6P equals 6 because this is 1. So then P has to equal 1 as well. And you can check here, does 15 times 1 equal 15?
Yeah.
And the answer is yes. So P and Q are 1 and 1. Now the reason I said P and Q are positive is because actually here you have a second answer. Q could have been -1. And likewise that would make the P -1 as well. So there's actually another answer here. Yeah. Okay?
Yep.
Yes. Are you hungry too?
Go ahead.
No? Because she's hungry. She's sitting here like this. No breakfast?
Yeah.
Just cereal? No? What?
Sandwich?
Sandwich. Nutella?
Huh?
Chocolate?
No.
No. Shame. Okay. Let me give you which questions to do. Some of them are very hard.
Yeah, those ones.
I'll tell you which ones are. Okay. One D, 1E, 2D, 2E, 3H, 3I, 4H, 4I, 5A.
Would there be a question like 5 in the final?
I'm about to comment on that. 1D should be fine. 1E should be fine. 2 should be fine. This one is difficult, but could possibly be on the exam, although not likely. This one is hard, and again, it could be on the exam, but very unlikely. Okay, this one is hard, and I don't expect it on the exam. And 5A is hard, and I'd be shocked if it was on the exam. It shouldn't be.
Can I take a picture of it?
Homework, which you can start now. So we're just missing Omar and Nader then. They usually only ask for 3 terms in the exam for things like this. Yeah.
Ian, did you solve 5A?
I didn't answer that.
Oh, good boy. And you got the answers?
Yeah.
Good boy. Oh, shit.
I love your paper.
No, I solved it. It's fine.
Working hard?
Yeah, I solved 5.
Did you?
The answer. I was showing him my unstable work from yesterday.
You mean you were showing off, wasn't it?
The Gmail.
Not bad. It's no Lee, but it's not bad.
And I ran out of math pages, so I'm moving to the physics pages.
I told you 1 book per subject is better because you'll fill up the maths quick.
Yeah.
How many maths books have you gone through now?
1.
Yep. And what is this, like week 3, week 4?
Yeah.